Slitherio. Slitherio. Subscribe. Bob. Or you know what? CP for Captain Donuts. Brother. I'm really bad at this game. Let's get it a good start. Ugh. Watch me die. I'm about to die, guaranteed. I always get super nervous. Oh, by the way, tomorrow I will be vlogging my Aunt Kim. By the way, you know I've been starting to do vlog videos. Holy crap! I'm taking you down. Okay. Chill out, dude. So I should just. Oh crap! I do not really want to get in that mess though. Yeesh. Ooh, you know what? Why not? I'll take this mass and I will take it and I will eat it. Oh, why? Why you lag, bro? Why you lag? I'm just gonna follow this big guy. Yikes. Lag, bro. No. Biscuits. Alright, let's try again. Silver biscuits. Once I find a big guy, I'm gonna follow him and wait for him to die. Take some of that mass, because I know a big guy's just gonna kill me. So I should just like follow him for a while. I don't feel like dying. Man, I always want to eat those little boogies. Ooh! Got one. Oh, brother. No. That's so booty. Like, ads. So stupid. Okay, let's try again. Wait, let me try again. I'm gonna try to do it the pro way and try to take people out. No, and kill them because they punched me in the face. Dang. Ooh, that was close. A little bit to get some of this mass back. Yeah, I've been on that speed for a long time now. At least until I get some more mass. Darn this thing. Ooh, big guy. Can I have that dude? No, can I have that little dot? Yeah, thanks. Well, as long as I just get this little dot. And he ate my mass. Screw him. I'll never ever get at least 500 or 1,000. Come on. 500, 1,000. Let's just do this. I want at least 500 or 1,000. Come on. Got it. I need 5. Yeah, not the worst, am I? I surely am not. Oh, I'm not even half bad. Well, I'll be. Heck no. Get away from me. Dude, leave me alone. I'm going to get this thing. Go, yes, okay. Every time you eat at least 5 or something like that, you get, you know, up a rank. People keep dying and you keep getting bigger. I shall have people die in seconds. As soon as I get humongous, let's build a wall. Let's build a wall here. Let's build a wall. Alright, now we go this way. Stops people from coming my way. Dang it. You're not gonna eat me, bro. So you better just stop. We'll better head to the middle. That's where all the goodies are. Really. All the goodies are always towards the middle. Don't forget that. Take notes. See? Goodies! Oh, lag. Lag is not good. Oh, 500. Finally! Well, I'll be. Isn't he a big son of a gun? Well, I'll be a son of a... No, 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 no. Dang you! I was gonna eat that, you know. No, 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 no. Let me get you. Fine. I do not know what those blue orbs do, or whatever. They're always gonna be. What are you wishing for? Son of a biscuit! I had 2,000 straight up. That's it for today, guys.